Good morning, my name is Dan. I wanted to give you just a short video of the GenStone pillar wrap installation that we did on these posts on our patio. We're really happy with the way this turned out and the ease of use of cutting and installing this GenStone product. As you can see, we used the 4-panel pillar installation as well as the column caps that we cut to actually fit real nice and close around the pillars. Any small gaps could be filled with the matching caulking that's available from GenStone, and it gives a really nice real stone appearance. These columns are 8 by 8, but this particular product from GenStone can be used for 4 by 4 or 6 by 6 pillars as well. We're pleased with the support we received from Travis and his team on not only the installation but selecting the color for this particular job. Anyway, thanks for reviewing, and I highly recommend this if you're looking to wrap pillars with a look and feel of real stone.